Alright, hello everybody. Ito ang maagang pabaon ko for November takers. So, I am planning to have three parts for Janet Prof Ed and Janet each. So, we have the basics, we have the think twice zone. Okay, and then we have the mas mahirap zone, okay? Or pinakamahirap zone. Okay, so I will start with the basics. Okay, so we have 50 points. Alright, so yung mga bago pa dito, ang Gurography po ay a free let review hub. You can have daily math boards sa Gurography and you can access our recorded videos dito sa YouTube. And I also have a TikTok account where I do free live every Wednesday. Okay, sa mga social science major, nagpapa-enroll po ako. It's just 249 for the whole season na po. Okay, so you can get um, PDF, yung weekly quiz nyo with discussion na po yon which we do every Saturday and then may additional din po kayo na bonus quiz every week. Okay, so we'll start. So, ang aking papel lang dito kasi huling pabaon so dapat mabilisan. Okay, I will just voice over. Okay, voice over ko lang to. Okay, so let's start without much further ado. Okay, A, when sodium chloride, salt, is dissolved in, or otherwise called salt, is dissolved in water, it forms A suspension, B, solution, C, colloid, and D, mixture. All right, so yes, for each question, maglalagay po ako ng 5-second clock. All right, so our answer here is B, solution. Number two, Mammalia is to class, as primate is to blank. A, kingdom. B, phylum. C, order. And D, family. Alright, so ang sagot po natin dito ay C, order. Okay, so kabisaduhin niyo po to kasi usually dalawa yung lumalabas niyan. Sa SPLE June 2025 namin is two questions ang lumabas nito and also this September 2025. Number three, floating waste or litter found on the ground is considered part of the A, air, B, soil, C, water, and D, minerals. Okay, and our answer here is letter B, soil. Number four, the softness and loudness of sound refer to its A, pitch, B, volume, C, frequency, and D, tone. Right, and our answer here is B, volume. Number five, a literary work that expresses truth through symbolic people and events is called A fable, B, parable, C, allegory, and D, myth. Right? And our answer here is C, allegory. Number six, the highness and lowness of sound refer to its A, pitch, B, volume, C, quality, and D, timbre. All right, and our answer here is letter A, peach. Number seven, temporary loss of electrolytes due to extreme heat exposure is called a heat rash, B, heat stroke, C, dehydration, and D, heat fatigue. All right, and our answer here is B, heat stroke. Number eight, the Aedes mosquito, which spreads dengue, belongs to the phylum A, mollusca, B, arthropoda, C, annelida, and D, nematoda. Okay, and our answer here is B, arthropoda. Number nine, the agency tasked to nurture Philippine arts and culture is the ACCP, or the Cultural Center of the Philippines, B, DepEd, or the Department of Education, C, NCCA, the National Commission for Culture and the Arts, and D, NHI, or the National Historical Institute. All right, and our answer here is CNCCA. Okay, mag-ingat po kayo kasi sa ibang questions, ang isang option doon is NCAA. Okay, so wag po kayong malito. Ang ano po is NCCA, okay? Commission for Culture. Okay, NCCA, not NCAA. Number 10, folk tales in an Arabian setting are found in A. Beowulf, B. Gilgamesh, C. 1001 Nights, and D. Canterbury Tales. All right, and our answer here is 1001 nights. Number 11, it is the attribute of a sound that determines the magnitude of the auditory sensation produced and primarily depends on the amplitude of the sound wave involved. Okay, it refers to how loud or soft a sound is perceived by the listener, making it subjective in nature. Okay. All right, and the answer here is B, loudness. Okay, so kapag loudness or softness at subjective in nature, it is loudness. Okay? Ibig sabihin, what is loud for you may not be loud for others. Okay, pero pag ang tinatanong lang ay loudness or softness, the answer there will be volume. Number 12, the human arm, bat's wing, and seal flippers are examples of A, homologous organs, B, analogous organs, C, vestigial organs, and D, artificial organs. All right, and our answer here is homologous organs. Okay, number 13, choose the pair of words with similar meanings. A, different and unique. B, impertinent and irrelevant. C, aplomb and inferior. And D, honest and dishonest. All right, and our answer here is impertinent and irrelevant. Okay, the same yung meaning niya. 14, iron is an example of A, blank metal, B, non-metal, C, compound, and D, metalloid or metalloid. All right, and our answer here is A, metal. All right, number 15, the tax paid by all adult citizens in the Philippines is called the A, income tax, B, real property tax, C, community tax, and D, corporate tax. All right, and our answer here is C, community tax or yung cedula. Number 16, when a yo-yo moves up and down or a guava fruit falls from a tree, what type of energy due to position or height is being demonstrated? A, chemical, B, gravitational, C, mechanical, and D, kinetic. All right, and our answer here is B, gravitational. Number 17, mercy is spontaneous and freely given is a famous quote from A, King Lear, B, the Merchant of Venice, C, Macbeth, and D, Julius Caesar. All right, and our answer here is letter B, the Merchant of Venice. Number 18, the Iliad and the Odyssey were written by A, Homer, B, Virgil, C, Plato, and D, Sophocles. I hope Sophocles yan at hindi Sophocles. All right, and the answer here is A, Homer. Number 19, a power bank stores blank energy, A, chemical energy, B, electrical energy, C, light energy, and D, kinetic energy. All right, and the answer here is A, chemical energy. Number 20, the LCM of 8, 6, and 3 is A, 12, B, 24, C, 36, and D, 48. All right, and the answer is letter B, 24. Okay, so linalagay ko na din po kung paano nyo kunin. Okay, sa lahat ng mga math problems na linagay ko dito ay linagay ko din po yung solution. Okay, so para mag-guide din po kayo. Number 21, a system of government where leadership is based on talent and ability is called A, democracy, B, autocracy, C, meritocracy, and D, aristocracy. Right? And our answer here is C, meritocracy. Okay? So wag niyo pong kalimutan, abangan yung mga um ang mga ibang videos. As I have said, three parts po to. Okay, easy, um, um, medium easy, okay, and difficult. Number 22, sunod-sunod na tatlong tuldok ay tinatawag na A. Ellipsis, B. Pananong, C. Gitling, and D. Padamdam. Alright, and our answer here is A. Ellipsis. Number 23, a moving electric fan demonstrates blank energy. Okay, A. Mechanical energy, B. Electrical energy, C. Kinetic energy, and D. Chemical energy. Okay, and our answer here is C, kinetic energy. Number 24, pinakamababang antas ng wika ay A, balbal, B, kolokyal, C, pambansa, and D, pampanitikan. Alright, ang answer po dito ay balbal. Okay, although ang kolokyal also is mababa, but ang tinatanong po dyan ay pinakamababang antas. Okay, so balbal or slang. Okay, in English. Okay? Number 24. Again, okay, naulit tayo. The greatest common divisor of 24, 45, and 5 is A1, B3, C5, and D15. All right, and the answer here is A1. Okay, ang greatest common divisor, it's also known as highest common factor. Is the largest positive integer that divides two or more numbers without leaving a remainder. Okay, integer dapat ata yun. Okay, number 25, ubos-ubos biyaya ay may kahulugang A, waldas, B, masinop, C, maalalahanin, and D, makatipid. Alright, and our answer here is A, waldas. Number 26, ang katalinuhan ay isang pangalang A, tahas, B, basal, C, pamilang, and D, pantangi. I hope it's basal, not basal. Alright, and our answer here is basal. Okay? Basal ay nakikita, ay hindi nakikita. Alright, and then tahas is nakikita. Tahas, tangible. Okay. B, basal, blind. Okay, number 27, the main character in Sa Rizal's El Filibusterismo is A. Basilio, B. Simon, C. Ibarra, and D. Elias. Kung sa Tagalog pa, Elias. Alright, and the answer here is B. Simon. Okay, so si Ibarra sa sa oh my God, sa Noli Me Tangere, and then bumalik siya as a jeweler in El Filibusterismo as Simuan. Number 28, the Philippines is made up of thousands of islands, making it an example of A, continent, B, peninsula, C, archipelago, and D, isthmus. All right, and our answer here is C, archipelago. Number 29, which is not a prime number, A, 47, B, 73, C, 51, and D, 199. All right, and our answer here is C51. So a prime number or prime is a natural number greater than 1 that has no positive divide or divisors other than 1 in itself. Okay? By Euclid theorem, there are an infinite number of prime numbers. Okay, so ang tinatanong sa 29 is not. Okay? So ibig sabihin, ang hinahanap is yung pwedeng ma-divide. Okay? So C is, ang sagot ay C51. Okay? It is, ano, divisible by 17. Yes, 17. All right, number 30. Ang pakikipagpanayam ay tinatawag na A, sanaysay, B, survey, C, interview, at saka D, ulat. All right, and ang sagot natin dito ay letter C, interview. Okay, pakikipagpanayam ay interview. Or pagtatanong din. Okay, that's also interview. Number 31, ang salitang ugat ng sinaliksik ay A, siksik, B, saliksik, C, salik, at saka D, saksihan. Alright, ang sagot dito ay saliksik. Okay. Number 32, the father of Western philosophy is A, Socrates, B, Plato, C, Aristotle, and D, Pythagoras. Okay, and our answer here is A, Socrates. Number 33, pagsasalita ng walang paghahanda ay tinatawag na A, impromptu, B, memorizado, C, extemporaneous, and D, declamation. Okay, and our answer here is A, impromptu. Number 34, the LCM of 5, 2, and 7 is A, 35, B, 70, C, 14, and D, 105. Okay, and the answer here is B, 70. Okay, so ang LCM, or the what we call as least common multiple, is the smallest number that is multiple of two or more given numbers. Number 35, sanaysay na waring nakikipag-usap lamang ay tinatawag na A, formal, B, malaya, C, personal, and D, objetibo. Okay, and our answer here is B, Malaya. Okay, number 36, meeting the needs of the present without harming future generations refers to A, ecology, B, conservation, C, sustainable development, and D, green economy. All right, and our answer here is C, sustainable development. Number 37, the space between the Tropic of Cancer and the Arctic Circle is called the A, torrid zone, B, temperate zone, C, frigid zone, and D, equatorial zone. All right, and our answer here is B, temperate zone. Number 38, factorize. Okay, 2x to the second power plus 7x minus 15. Okay, so A is 2x minus 5, and then the other one is x plus 3. Letter B, 2x minus 3. Okay, and then x plus 5. Letter C, x minus 3, and then 2x plus 5. And dx plus 5, x minus 5, and 2x plus 3. Alright, and the answer is letter B. Okay, so linagay ko na rin po dyan ang step-by-step solution niya, okay, para masundan nyo din, okay, and para you will know how to solve it, okay, kasi uso to, na hindi ata to nawawala sa, ano, sa, sa Gen Ed pag sa actual, laging may factorization. Number 39, half of the celestial sphere is called A. Okay. A, hemisphere, B, orbit, C, axis, and D, meridian. All right, and our answer here is A, hemisphere. Okay, the term hemisphere is derived from the Greek words hemi, meaning half, and sphaira, meaning sphere. Number 40, interest at 8% for 3 months on 6,000 pesos is blank. A, 80 pesos, B, 120 pesos, letter C, 160 pesos, and D, 240 pesos. Okay, so the answer is letter B, 120 pesos. Okay, so alalahanin, hindi rin to nawawala. Okay, so lagi niyong isipin, ang simple interest is P, okay, principal, times rate, times time. Okay, so lagi niyong alalahanin, yung time is expressed in years. Okay, so pag 3 months siya, okay, so i-divide nyo to lagi by 12. Okay, pag nasa months siya. Okay, kasi there are 12 months of the year. Okay, kung meron kasi din yung tatanungin diyan, ano yung principle of this, ganyan. Okay, so kung kailangan niyo ng ano, marami po akong mga free videos sa GenEd na nai-explain ko kung paano kukunin step by step yung mga math questions. Number 41. Aristotle identified him as the first person to investigate the basic principles, the question of the originating substances of matter, and therefore as the founder of the school of natural philosophy. A. Thales of Miletusian, B. Socrates, C. Plato, and D. Pythagoras. Okay, and our answer here is letter A, thallus. Number 42, alin sa mga sumusunod ang tamang gamit ng pandiwa? A, dadalhan mo ang bag sa kwarto. B, dalhin mo ang bag sa kwarto. C, dalhan mo ang bag sa kwarto. And letter D, dalhan mo ang bag sa bahay ko. And of course, ang answer is letter B, dalhin mo ang bag sa kwarto. 43, a literary work written as an exchange of letters is called A, biography, B, epistolary, C, allegory, and D, expository. Alright? The answer here is epistolary. Okay? So, lumalabas din yung Urbana at Felisa. Okay? Yun yung famous, okay, na epistolary. Number 44, by Modesto Castro, yung Urbana at Felisa. Number 44, pagpapalit ng posisyon ng mga tunog sa loob ng isang salita ay tinatawag na A, pagsaklaw, B, ellipsis, C, metathesis, and D, euphemismo. Okay, and our answer here is metathesis. Okay, so don't forget, may mga video pa po akong isusunod. Siguro tapusin ko muna yung Gen Ed. So, the next video will also be 50 points and medium easy na po tayo. Number 49, Queen Elizabeth I is also known as the A, Red Queen, B, Virgin Queen, C, Iron Queen, and D, Golden Queen. Sana all golden. All right, and the answer here is B, Virgin Queen. Number 46, the memories of brutality and fear during the Japanese regime were associated with which military police organization? A, Kempeitai, B, Katipunan, C, Guardia Civil, and D, Hukbalhap. All right, and our answer here is A, Kempeitai. Number 47, the period known as the Gintong Panahon ng Panitikan or the Golden Age of Literature in the Philippines occurred during which colonization era? A, Spanish period, B, American period, C, Japanese period, and D, post-war period. And our answer here is Japanese period. Okay, so may isang lumalabas din na tanong na related dito. So bakit Japanese period Japanese period ang tinatawag na gintong panahon ng panitikan? Is it because pinagbawalan po ang mga Pilipino at that time to use, okay, English? Number 48, the power of the people to directly propose amendments or laws to the Constitution is called A, plebiscite, B, referendum, C, initiative, and D, recall. All right, and our answer here is initiative. Okay, 49, which historical period is known as the era of knights and chivalry? A, Renaissance, B, Industrial Age, C, Middle Ages, and D, Modern Era. Alright, and our answer here is Middle Ages. Okay, so pag wala yung Middle Ages, hanapin niyo po yung medieval era, okay, or medieval ages. Alright, so before nating basahin number 50, don't forget to subscribe, okay, sa YouTube channel and join us on Facebook, okay, for the free Mac boards daily. Alright, and also sa live ko on TikTok. And the last one, he is known as a blind veteran and a wonderful doctor who continued to serve the country despite losing his eyesight during the Filipino-American War. A. Vito Bellarmino, B. Jose Rizal, C. Pio Valenzuela, and D. Jose Ignacio Paua. All right, and our answer here is A. Vito Bellarmino. Okay, so I hope you finish of course, pag andito na po kayo, ibig sabihin you finish it. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe!